Hi everyone, I'm Nolan Molina Yumen. At this point of time, I'm going to discuss to you the Entity Relationship Model. Entity Relationship Model, or ER model, is a popular conceptual data model and is frequently used for the conceptual design of database application. And many database design tools use this concept. There are several variations to ER modeling approach, but all essential variable common to all data may be represented using the following major construct. Using the entity, the attribute, and the relationship. So now, we're going to define one by one. First, we have entity. It refers to an abstract or concrete object in the real world that is interest to an organization. Second, attribute. It is a name, property, or characteristic describing by an entity or relationship. And lastly, relationship. It is the association between two entities. What is an example of entity? Entity is a thing that exists and it is distinguishable like students, course, and professor. And entities are represented by means of their properties called the attributes. Attributes are characteristics that describe an entity. For entity student, we have a following attributes: student ID, name, and address. In the entity course, we have course ID and course description as an attribute. While in professor, it has an attribute professor ID and name. Every entity has a connection, and this connection is called relationship. In a given example, enrolled is a relationship attribute that connects entity student to entity course, and relationship attribute thought, which connect the course entity to the professor entity. The diagram shows that the student is enrolled in a course that is taught by the professor. For a clearer example, we have here student enrolled in a database course which is taught by the professor. Thank you for listening and God bless everyone. The next topic will be discussed by Mr. Apolinario G. Ballenas.